Welcome to my channel. Topic for today's discussion is cash flow statement. First, you should know what is Accounting Standard 3. Accounting Standard 3 deals with cash flow statement. It is issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in March 1997 and revised again in the year March 1999. It was recommendatory in character in initial years. However, it was made mandatory for all listed companies and other businesses with a turnover above 50 crores from the year April 2001. Let me explain the meaning of cash flow statement. Here there are three words: cash, flow and statement. What is cash? Generally, cash refers to the coins and notes, that is currency. Whenever we use the word cash in cash flow statement, cash does not mean not only coins but also bank balance and cash equivalents. Cash equivalents, this term is new to you. Now, I will explain you what is cash equivalents. Cash equivalents are those investments which are easily converted into cash. That is, those investments which have a maturity period less than 3 months and they should be subject to minimum change value. Examples for cash equivalents are commercial paper, treasury bills, short-term government bonds and marketable securities. So, in cash flow statement, there is no difference between cash and cash equivalents. Now, we will focus on the term cash flow. Okay. In a business, cash can either flow into the business or out of the business. Cash inflow is the money going into a business. In other words, cash receipts of the business. Examples of inflow: cash received from debtors for goods and services, and cash received for the sale of goods and services, interest received, dividend received. These are the examples for cash inflows. Dividend received. Outflow is the money leaving the business, that is the cash payments by the business. Cash payments by the business are outflow for the business. Examples of outflows are payment to creditors for supply of goods and services, payment to employees and payment for expenses. Up to now, we have discussed what is cash and what is cash equivalents and what is cash flow. Now, you read the meaning. Cash flow statement reports the inflows and outflows of cash and its equivalents of an organization during a particular period. What do you understand by cash flow statement? Yes, it is a statement which records the flows of cash during a particular period. When you prepare cash flow statement, As per Accounting Standard 3, you need to know about three major activities of the business. That is the operating activities, investing activities and financial activities. The inflow and outflow of cash is the result of these three activities. Let me explain what is cash flow from operating activities. Operating activities are the regular business activities such as manufacturing, selling goods and services, distribution and marketing. Cash flow which arising from operating activities are known as cash flow from operating activities. Examples: sale of goods and services, payment to suppliers, payment to employees and factory expenses. Next, we will see cash flow from investing activities. What is investing activities? Investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating income or profits in future. Cash flows which arising from investing activities are known as cash flow from investing activities. Examples of cash flow from investing activities are sale of fixed assets, purchase of fixed assets, sale of investments and purchase of investments. Next one, financing activities. What is financing activities? The financing activity in the cash flow statement focuses on how a firm raises capital and pays it back to the investors. Examples of financing activities: issue of shares, issue of debentures, repayment of shares and debentures, that is redemption of shares and debentures. I hope now you understand the theoretical aspects of the cash flow statement clearly. Thank you.